When you're beating around the bush, there's nothing better than some cast iron cookware for sheer versatility. Doesn't matter whether you're cooking on a stove or a fire, cast iron takes anything you can chuck at it and lasts for years with a bit of love. So after a few weeks away, I've dug mine out of the truck and yep, they're showing a bit of rust. No dramas, that's pretty normal. Best way to sort them out is with a stainless steel scrubber, a big shake of salt and a dash of water. Never use soap on cast iron, unless you like your tucker tasting like bath water anyway. Give the insides a couple of goes and finish up with a decent rinse. If the water looks clean, you're ready to dry it out. And don't worry about the outsides too much, your truck will bang them clean. It's not necessary to be crucial on the cleaning, you know, the salt's killed everything, and that and the wire brush, it's done a lovely job. And there's this old thing amongst those cast iron cooking guys, always leave a little bit of flavour in the pot. Now all we've got to do is warm it up and oil it. I like to use olive oil because it's what I use in most of my cooking. Wipe some of the bottle stuff around the insides and give the outside a quick spray if you're in a hurry. But any oil will do it though, except that stuff you put in the motor anyway. There you go fellas, bloke-proof cooking at its best. And if they're real bad because your idiot mate left a bag of prawns in there last month or something, just whop into it with a wire brush on the end of a drill and use a lot more salt when you scrub it. The best thing about the 9-quart pot is you can put the 3-quart saucepan inside it. Get a load of that. Put the lid on, you've got the whole lot in one go, ready to go camping, and I am right now. This is going to be great.